Where's mom and dad?
We're recording making nachos.
Huh?
Yeah!
Where's mom and dad?
That way.
Now first, you get a bowl of chips to make the Alej nachos. A bowl of chips. The rice and beans. Rice and beans.
Where's the cheese?
We'll look at it.
Some cheese. Show me cheese on it. Show our audience the cheese.
Oh my god. Never show that cheese to Samantha or she'll eat it.
Why?
Because she's the cheese. Whenever she looks up the cheese, she'll be like,
Oh crap, I forgot how to put it on. So rice, beans, cheese.
Look at your picture. We gotta make that.
Oh, we don't have tomatoes.
Are we gonna put this in the microwave?
Yeah.
Just started talking like.
she fell.
No, I know how to get it.
Oh, I remember you used to say, get down!
Get that in there. Yeah. Some rice. Put some rice on it.
Oh, that's stuff.
Crap. Some cheese on it. Oh, snap.
Fail.
Watch out, doggy.
Didn't you put a lot of rice?
I forgot how I'm the last to be spit out is the move.
That's delicious already.
Alej, how long do you
Show the audience. This is at first.
I don't know how long to put it on for.
Let's see.
No, don't put it on for more than 2 minutes though. Like
2 minutes.
No, 1:30.
1:30.
I'll be right back. Where's Dad? They have to put the cheese on first. It's done.
And it's done. How do you open it?
Okay, that's good.
Let's see the finishing product.
It's not done yet though.
Oh, not done yet.
Tomatillos.
Taquitos?
Tomatillos.
I thought it said taquitos. Oxygen. Stay. Go fish. Smells like bacon.
The Alej nachos finishing product is done.
Obviously.
Alej, you have to down. Put it over here.
Huh?
Put it down.
Ow.